What's up, everybody? Ryan with Vaughn Scheller Family Experience. We're out at Ranch Campground just outside of Tuolumne here in beautiful California, and great little campground. No real hookups. They've got some water spigots around, but you know, pretty woodsy, right by the river and the creek. It's out towards Cherry Lake, and it's kind of a little hidden gem. You know, it's a cool spot. They got some nice swimming holes in the river and the creeks around here. Like I mentioned, real woodsy, and just came out for the weekend. A couple of us, my brother-in-law and sister-in-law and kids, and just kind of hanging out and just enjoying the weekend and relaxing, playing some games, doing a little barbecuing right now, getting ready for dinner. So take a look at all the footage. Did a little drone footage overhead, just kind of show you it. Like I said, it's pretty woodsy. It's only about 15-20 minutes away for us, so nice and close. And pretty slow weekend out here, but I heard it gets a little busy. A lot of tent campers I heard come out here, so heard that like you've got RVs and travel trailers with generators. Some of the tent campers get a little upset, but that's how it goes. So, you know, I try to run mine just in the morning to charge up from the night, and run it in the evenings just charge up before the morning, or before we go into the night. You know, so we try to limit our use of our Jennies, but they got bathrooms and showers. They got water spigots around, but other than that, no other hookups, no electrical, no sewer. So anyways, just check out a couple little highlights from this weekend, and if you want to check it out, then come out here and camp and enjoy it. Kids, the boys are going down to catch some fishes. What do you think? Cameron, you gonna catch a fish?
Put it back.
You gonna catch a fish?
Definitely, yeah.
You gonna catch a fish?
Dad, don't fall into it.
I don't know if they're gonna catch any fish. It's a kind of a small creek. I didn't see many fish down here, but we're gonna go see.
I don't think there's gonna.
We're down here at the creek here at Ranch Campground. You can see they've got a little barbecue area, a little stage. I know they do a festival here. We've actually done a couple weddings here before, so pretty cool little spot. Definitely a cool spot for weddings. No power out here, so we did have to, if I remember right, we did have to bring generators down here. So, but cool spot. They got a little bridge right here. We rode the mountain bikes down. The kids are having fun, just enjoying the outdoors. All right, we're cooking up on the old Blackstone and the Weber right here. We got chicken and veggies on the Blackstone. I kind of ran out of grill space right there on the Weber. So ran out grill space was kind of good because I'd like to try out these shish kebabs on these chicken kebabs on the Blackstone here. So we'll see how it does. Cooking up some good food.